Welcome to our video on meditation techniques for career advancement. In this video, we will explore how meditation can help enhance focus and performance, leading to success in your professional life. Meditation offers numerous benefits for career advancement. It helps reduce stress, improves mental clarity, boosts creativity, and enhances overall well-being. By incorporating meditation into your routine, you can experience a positive transformation in both your personal and professional life. One powerful meditation technique for enhancing focus is mindfulness meditation. This practice involves bringing your attention to the present moment and observing your thoughts and sensations without judgment. By regularly practicing mindfulness meditation, you can train your mind to stay focused on the task at hand, improving your productivity and performance. Visualization meditation is another technique that can benefit your career advancement. By visualizing your goals and success, you can program your subconscious mind to work towards achieving them. Visualizing yourself confidently presenting in a meeting, acing an interview, or accomplishing your career objectives can significantly boost your self-belief and motivation. Deep breathing exercises are excellent for calming the mind, reducing stress, and increasing focus. Taking a few moments throughout the day to practice deep breathing can help you regain your center, release tension, and sharpen your concentration. Incorporate these simple yet powerful exercises into your daily routine to cultivate a calmer and more focused mind. Incorporating meditation techniques into your life can have a profound impact on your career advancement. By enhancing your focus and performance, you can achieve your professional goals with ease. Start incorporating these meditation practices into your routine and experience the positive benefits they bring to your career.